Hi friends, great morning and welcome to Daily Analysis. Friends, as I mentioned yesterday, I told even though the CPR was wide CPR, I was expecting a trending day because it was a inventory day. And this is what exactly happened. There was a clear selling, and even I told I was bearish. My view was bearish yesterday, and I told my bullish view will be only above the previous day's high, right? And exactly this is what has happened. And exactly there was a selling, and it came to our first target of 6,303 level. Even though I was expecting the second target of 6,223, which was one of our swing low, that level didn't happen. We were not having the enough time, right? And the selling pressure were there till end of the trading session, right? Almost, and only at the closings 1.5 hours, we can see that it was just consolidating, right? It was a very good trending day. Now let us do today's analysis. First, let us check with the NYMEX crude. So NYMEX crude again telling us that the crude is in bearish trend, right? You can see a clearly a candle which is closed below 20 EMA. Okay, but one thing what we have to be cautious is yesterday's closing is at exactly at 76.22. I mean, the low was 76.22, which was one of our demand zone. You can see here it was once upon a time, it was a demand zone. When the price came to those level, the buyers actually took the price till this level, 793.56, right? So we should be slightly cautious going short right now. Okay, we may be initiating short only below previous day's low, right? Now, there can be a slight possibility, that's what is showing that there can be a retracement, and it can even, the retracement can go up to $77.58. Now let us see MCX crude. MCX crude also showing that it was a very good or big bearish candle, which again meaning that the trend remained negative. But we need to be cautious, as since it is at exactly at the closing is exactly at a demand zone, right? So we should be cautious about that. We will go short when we get a good pattern below the previous day's low, right? And retracement possibility, if it retrace, it can maximum go up to maybe 639.995 or 6,400 level. That's what the 20 EMA level, right? This is what the daily chart is showing, but we will do detailed analysis with our 30-minute chart. Friends, one thing we have to understand that still the price is within the yesterday's closing range, right? So currently it is trading at 6,280, 90 level, and we have a narrow CPR, right? It's not a wide CPR. It is not too narrow, but it is a narrow CPR, average narrow CPR. But today, last 2 days, if you see, we were getting a continuous bearish trend selling. So I am slightly expecting a sideways day or a retracement. Okay, there are a couple of reasons why I am expecting. One thing, as long as above this zone, right, from 6,256, which was previous day's low, to 6,273 level, as long as the price is above those level, I'm not going to go short today. I may be looking for a retracement which can actually break our CPR range and go up to previous day's CPR. Previous day's CPR, you can see it is a virgin CPR, which started from 6,433 to 6,480 level. Maybe if there is a retracement, first it will take a resistance at 6,383, which is an important level. We know when the market came down again, when wanted to recover at almost exactly near to this level, it took again a selling pressure, right? So first, it will take a resistance at 6,383 level. Then I am expecting it can go and touch previous day's CPR range, which is our virgin CPR, right? If at all, if the price is showing a retracement, the maximum level what I am expecting is this level, right? And same way, so bullish trend above CPR range. Our CPR range, today's CPR range start from 6,314 up to 6,331 range. If the price close above that level, I may be looking for a bullish trend. First target will be around at 6,384. Second target will be almost near to 6,434 to 6,480 level. We don't know when it comes to CPR range. We don't know what can be the exact location. Near to this location, it will take a resistance, right? And since it's a wide CPR, it can be a powerful resistance. That's what I'm expecting. And my bearish trend, I will go short if the price closes below 6256 level. If I'm getting a good candle, elephant candle or rocket candle, I'll be going short below this level, 6256 level. First target can be somewhere near to 6223 level, which is our demand zone here. Right? And of course, we have one more at 6,209 level. But if at all, if the previous day's low is breaking with a good signal, good pattern, the selling pressure can continue even up to maybe 6,089 to 6,072. Okay, so we need to wait and see how the price is behaving. Okay, and we have one more support level, which is 6,169, the 70 level. Okay, which was also one time it was a low level, right? So which is almost matching with our support 2 zone, 6,173 level, right? So these are the important levels, friends. And friends, if you really want to know more about price action, how price action works, and which are the important candles, what is the psychology behind all these levels which I marked. Today, I'm going to conduct a masterclass. It starts at 7:30 p.m. in the evening and ends by 9:30 p.m. And I'm going to teach you in very detail. And also, I'm going to share you 3 intraday patterns, high probability intraday patterns. I'm going to share you during this webinar. So I want you to register for the masterclass. The link to register for the masterclass is there in the description. So click on the link and register for the masterclass. Also, I want to invite you to tomorrow, again, 7:30 to 9:30. I'm going to conduct Superpower Trader, where I'm going to teach you more in detail about psychology behind successful trading, money management rules, and all, right? And also, I'm going to give you a special bonus during the webinar. So I want you to register for those masterclass also. So thank you very much. Before winding up, I want to give you a disclaimer. These are my personal views. I never guarantee you any success or profit from these views. And make sure you do your own analysis before taking any trades and maintain proper risk-reward ratio. And if you're watching first time my channel, make sure you subscribe the channel, hit on the like button, comment in the comment box what was your key takeaway and what are the more information you want from the daily analysis. Thank you very much. Wishing you all a very happy and successful trading day. Thank you.